So here we are at a castle ruin that Ben found. Zoom out a little bit. It's called Clonony Castle, and apparently Anne Boleyn's father inherited this castle. Okay, welcome to Athlone.
Athlone.
What a drive.
There's a castle right here.
Yeah.
I want to read that part.
There's this castles everywhere you look. And over here, a cathedral of some sort. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. Yeah, behind us is a piece of the original Sean's bar from 900 AD. Guinness Book of World Records, oldest bar, continuously operating in the world. How cool is that? And another thing, I now have a piece of Sean bar history. Okay, we are the first ones to bring in the state of Oregon license plate to Sean's bar. Number one. Can't beat a number one.
They'll send. They'll be sending him a video behind the back.
Yeah. I had to fill out a form. I signed the back of it, fill out a form, and they're going to take a video of him putting it out and send it to me. So I'm pretty excited about that. So first time to Athlone. The Pattersons just made history. So there you go, pretty cool.
So one thing about Ireland, they plot places where you can come and walk through and see castles in the middle of nowhere. Here is just a little walk, not too big of one, but this is what you get to see, old castles. Cool, huh? Still constructing these beautiful works of art. We're keeping them up. They're supposed to be free, but the doors look like they have locks on them. Little area you can see of the courtyard.
Idea. So there's Pat. So this is an archery position inside of the courtyard on a big old Norman castle. So we built a little table there. There's another archery position. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Oh yeah. I got multiple points of exit. I'll be okay. Wow. I mean, it's not the smartest thing I've ever done. These walls right here, like that's it. That's amazing.
All right, so here we are in Galway. Good old Galway. Hello, Dubarry girl. How are you? There's the rest of our Dubarry girls, because they're all being sponsored by Dubarry today. See? And kabam! Right there. So they were right on the ocean. So we're gonna
Try out oysters.
yeah, we can seafood and see how that works with the local beers. So we'll be in touch. Oh. Okay, so we're here. Where are we? The King's Head? We're here in the King's Head pub. This place is cool. They have weaponry on the wall. They have a video, 800 years in 2.5 minutes. Coat of arms on the wall. And just the overall atmosphere here, really, really cool. If you ever come down to Galway, highly recommend.
I see a nostril flare, but he's not shivering. I don't see goosebumps.
Is he sweating yet?
I'll try it. I haven't had this brand.
All right, all right.
Oh, there's a second kick. There it is.
That is a thing.
This thing has an afterlife.
It does. An acorn, I'll tell you that.
What proof is it?
It's not terrible.
Okay, Julie.
Stop it.
Okay, Miss Dubarry.
All right.
Look, all
She's having clutching for the first time.
like before these two, no one knew we.
Wait for it.
No one would. I had no idea. Yeah, they're babies. Yeah, they're my babies.
Sweet potatoes.
Wait for
The
it.
afterburn. What do you think?
You get them in Vegas.
It's tasty. I mean, it doesn't hurt. To me, I'm not feeling any burn at all.
Oh, all right.
Good morning.
Good morning. A little windy.
Yeah. So here we are in Galway. I don't know where I am anymore.
I know, we're at the Menlo Park Hotel. Just a standard one, not too bad. Good little breakfast.
Menlo Park Hotel.
And then we're going to spend the rest of the day in Westport. So that should be an exciting day.
Yeah, we went downtown last night. I don't know what street it was, but we had some fantastic seafood. And come from Pacific Northwest of the U.S., we already have fantastic seafood, but over here, it's a different. It's not better. It's not worse. It's just different.
True. I know we've been kind of really a little lost in telling you where we are. Our friend Jen put most of this together, but at the same time, what we'll do is make sure we add the comments of where we are
when we remember.
when we do the YouTube channel.
So the reason I'm squinting is because we're not used to seeing sun here.
I know it's.
Today's a good day. But yesterday when we came in, it was pouring cats and dogs.
Yeah, and
It
you'll
was
see
nuts.
that one the castle we found. One fun
cool.
thing here is there's a lot of free castles you can drive up to. It's the
You have
ruins.
to look for them.
Yeah, and sometimes going down the path, as you see, you're going, where am I going? So adventures for sure are in this.
We got to see a marine storm in Irish Castle and win.
Yes.
So that was interesting. We'll make sure to link that video in here somewhere.
Yeah.
But we just want to keep you updated on where we're going, what we're doing, and what kind of shenanigans we're going to be able to get into. I'm going to put it as a side note now. If you see us starting to curse more, that's because everyone here curses.
Yeah, it's a.
I saw some 86-year-old guy just start cursing at this driver, and they're having the most jovial conversation ever. And then we have Mr. Grimmer here, and Miss Jen here. So, yeah, we will check you on the other side.
Take care.